Stock investment is about being optimistic about future, but without knowing the basics about future, you are just shooting in the dark. Vedic astrology is the only knowledge which can give you some advance idea about impending booms and crashes in market. Though nobody can see the future like a video, still one can have a fair idea of possibilities in future, using astrological transits, using common sense and planets changes into zodiac signs. With a small investment in this online course, you can save yourself from future investment shocks and also have million-dollar opportunities in coming years. You will not panic when markets are in turmoil and convert them in opportunities. Learn basics of financial astrology to avoid losses and earn good return.
Course content: Financial Astrology Fundamentals. Understanding the impact of planets on sector stocks. Planetary ingress impact on financial market. Trading using declination of planets. Planet retrograde effect in stock markets. Using lunar cycles in trading. Stock market astrology course for equity shares and commodity shares. Prediction 1 are intraday and weekly and monthly.